Ooh, there's a big dinosaur. Maybe I could capture it. It's too small, I need help. He's way too small. He's way too big to pick up. Okay, we need bigger help. He's too... I'm too weak too. Michael, Greenland's over there. Ooh. This one can do it. Yay! We captured it. Now we can kill it. Okay, this dinosaur just died by all these other dinosaurs. So, and I don't know how this picked it up, but I don't know. So, see you next time. Bye.